our drawing, you need to change the view to 3D modeling. You can check here. So 3D modeling already, and then you go to home, you go to view, you go to unsafe view. So we need to change the view in 3D view. So for example, I select SW isometric. So we can see in X, Y, and Z view. So we can change the UCS to no origin. Just tap UCS icon. Okay, click. So select no origin. So the UCS allocated at this no origin. So let's say, for example, in this drawing, I need to teach about the constructive solid geometry. Actually, constructive solid geometry is the 3D solid, which we can draw the drawing by using the primitive. So we go to solid. So we see that this is a primitive. There are many types. So wedges, cone, pyramid, torus, box, a cylinder. Let's say, for example, I need to use constructive solid geometry by using primitive drawing to produce the solid modeling object. So for example, let's say I draw box. Okay, specify first corner, and then select length, enter, on ortho. For example, the length is 12, enter, and then width, the width, for example, 50, enter, and then the height, for example, 18, enter. So we can get this box. Okay, the first one, and then the second one, we also draw one box and one cylinder. So box, specify first corner, so select length, enter, specify the length. Let's say, for example, the length is 100, the length is 110, and then the width, for example, 50, and then the height, for example, 12, enter. So in this box, we should have one cylinder. So select cylinder, specify base point at the midpoint. Okay, we can see that the cylinder is not in a proper XY plane, so we need to draw in top plane. So go to home, select wall, so select top. So you go solid, select cylinder, so this one. Okay, the cylinder, the radius is 25, enter. The height, same with the box, is 12, enter. So this one box, this one one box, this one box, one cylinder, and then we need to draw another box and cylinder, but in the bottom view. So go to home, okay, select this one, go to the bottom, so select box, click, so specify the corner, this one for example, so length, enter. So auto on. Okay, for example, the length is 48, enter. The width 12, enter. The height 44, enter. So in this box also should have one cylinder. So go to solid, select cylinder. Where is the locations? Here. Okay, the dimension, the radius of the cylinder 24, and then the width of the cylinder 12, enter. So we have a three object. So we need to produce the select object by using the Boolean instructions. Actually, Boolean instruction have three: union, subtract, and intersects. Okay, you can check either the object in 3D view or not by using orbit. So you can see that, okay, the object is correct. So escape. So go to this one, SW. Okay, from this object, so we need to use the Boolean instructions. So where is the first object? We need to uh, union the first object first. So use union. Select this one. Select second object. Enter. Union already. Okay, so this one actually we should have another one cylinder. Click. We forgot just now. Okay, at the center. Sorry, not center yet. So if we quite difficult to draw another cylinder, you just move this one. Enter. Select object. Enter. Specify from where? Base point. So to another location. So we need to draw another cylinder from the center here. Click. So the radius is 9. Enter. And then the length is 12. Enter. So we move again to the location. Select object. So select this object. Enter. From where? This center point to the midpoint. Okay. So we need to use the command union and subtract for this object. So select union. Select the first object to union. Select the second object. Enter. And then we need to subtract this cylinder. So select subtract. Select the big one. Enter. Select the cylinder. Enter. So after this one, we need to combine all this object as required. So move. Enter. Select object. This one the first object to move. Any other object not enter. From where? Okay, we need to move from these locations to these locations. Okay, so we need to union this object. So just select union. Select first object. This one. Sorry. You need to union. Select the small one. Select the bigger one. Enter. So we union already this object. And then we need to move this object to this location. So move. Enter. Select the object. So this one. Any other object, no, enter. From where? From this point to this end point. So we need to union this object with this object. So select union, select this object, select the second one, enter. So we can check this one by change the view. So we go to home. Okay, we go to this uh, view. Okay, let's say we need to show in shaded view. So we can see that we have one hole and then the object completely as the given dimension. So if we want to change the materials, we go to realistics. Okay, in realistic view, we go to view, we go to the material brochure. Okay, okay, this is the type of the material brochure. Let's say, for example, I need to change this object to ceramic. So just click and drag to this one. So we can see that our object in the ceramic view. Okay, so this one in the ceramic view. So that's all for the 3D solid by using the primitive object. Thank you for watching.